Hey everyone. So you want to learn data science, Python, SQL, maybe some machine learning, but you don't want to spend thousands on a boot camp or sit through 2-hour lectures where the instructor just reads PowerPoint slides. So you start searching, and Datacamp keeps showing up. But here's the real question. Will it actually help you build job-ready skills, or is it just another subscription that collects dust after week 2? I've spent 30 hours testing Datacamp across multiple courses and career tracks, and in this review, I'll walk you through exactly what it does well, where it falls short, and whether it's worth your money in 2026. And if you want to try Datacamp, I've left the best deal I could find in the description. At minimum, the free plan costs you nothing. Start there and see for yourself. So, what exactly is Datacamp? In a sea of platforms that tried to teach everything from cooking to quantum physics, Datacamp made a deliberate choice. It focuses specifically on data and AI skills. Its catalog covers topics like data science, analytics, AI, Python, R, SQL, machine learning, generative AI, data visualization, and cloud computing. No web development filler, no marketing courses stuffed in just to pad the catalog. And that focus matters more than you'd think. Instead of cobbling together random courses from different instructors with different teaching styles, which is what you often end up doing on Coursera or Udemy, Datacamp gives you structured career tracks built around specific job roles like data analyst, data scientist, data engineer, and machine learning scientist. Each track takes you through a logical progression, so you're not constantly wondering, what should I learn next? The platform also runs entirely in your browser. No downloading software, no fighting with environment setups, no works on my machine moments. You watch a short video, then immediately write real code. That cycle, learn something, then do it, is the backbone of the whole experience. Now, here's what it actually feels like to use. When I started my first career track, the thing that struck me immediately was how short the lessons are. We're talking 3 to 5 minute videos, each followed by a hands-on coding exercise. You type real Python or SQL directly in the browser, hit submit, and get instant feedback on whether your code works. That rhythm is surprisingly addictive. The platform uses XP points, daily streaks, and leaderboards, basically the same psychology that keeps people opening Duolingo every morning. And honestly, it works. The bite-sized format makes it genuinely hard to quit mid-lesson. Beyond the courses, I also tested DataLab, their AI-powered data notebook. You can connect your own data, write Python or SQL, and use an AI assistant that actually understands your code context. It suggested fixes, generated visualizations, and even helped me debug errors. It doesn't feel like a generic chatbot bolted onto a text editor. The suggestions are relevant and specific because it has access to your working context. Datacamp also announced the acquisition of a company called Optima in late 2025. Optima builds AI that generates personalized lessons in real time, adapting pace, examples, and explanations based on the learner. So a finance analyst learning SQL could potentially see very different examples from a marketing manager learning the same topic. It's still rolling out across select courses, but if Datacamp executes it well at scale, it could become one of the platform's most interesting features. So let's break down what Datacamp does well. First, the specialization. Because it focuses only on data and AI topics, the curriculum feels more consistent than on broad marketplace platforms. You're not gambling on whether a random instructor is any good. The courses follow a standardized structure and feel like part of one system. Second, the hands-on approach. You're writing code from lesson 1. There's no long theory-only phase before you touch a keyboard. That immediate feedback loop builds real muscle memory, and it's one of the main reasons the platform is so easy to stick with. Third, the career tracks and skill assessments. Datacamp has something called Signal, a timed adaptive test that benchmarks your skills on a 0 to 200 scale in about 10 minutes. It's designed to identify your weak spots quickly, so you're not wasting time reviewing things you already know. Fourth, the AI tools are genuinely useful. DataLab isn't just a gimmick. It's a functional analytics environment you can use for actual work, not only exercises. And the Optima-powered adaptive learning, while still early, points toward a future where the platform adjusts more intelligently to the learner. And fifth, the ecosystem is large. There are real-world projects, learning paths, certifications, assessments, and even NASBA-accredited CPE credits if you need continuing education hours. For a single subscription, that's a lot of value packed into one platform. But Datacamp isn't perfect, and I want to be upfront about that. The biggest issue is depth ceiling. The platform is excellent at taking you from 0 to intermediate, but if you're already comfortable with Python or SQL, you may find the exercises too guided. A lot of them are fill in the blank, where you complete pre-written code rather than building something from scratch. That teaches syntax recognition and reinforces concepts well, but it doesn't fully prepare you for the open-ended problem-solving you'll face in a real job. Related to that, the projects mostly live inside Datacamp's ecosystem. You can learn from them, but they're not always the kind of standalone portfolio pieces you can immediately show to employers. So if your goal is landing a job, you'll still want independent projects on the side. And while Datacamp covers a wide range of data topics, it doesn't go as deep into academic machine learning theory or advanced statistics as something like a university-backed Coursera specialization. Its certifications also aren't the same thing as formal academic credit, so if that's what you need, this probably isn't the right platform. As for pricing, Datacamp keeps things fairly straightforward. There are really just two tiers for individual learners. The free basic plan gives you the first chapter of every course. No credit card required. It's a solid way to test the waters before you commit to anything. The premium plan is where the full experience lives. It's $35 per month on a monthly subscription, but if you go annual, it drops to around $28 per month. That's roughly $336 for the year. You get unlimited access to all 670 plus courses, every career and skill track, certifications, real-world projects, data labs, and the new Optima-powered adaptive courses. If you're a college student, there's a student plan at about $164 per year, basically half the regular price. And Datacamp regularly runs seasonal sales, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, New Year, where discounts hit 50% off. If you can time your purchase, the annual premium plan can drop to around $160 to $170, which for hundreds of interactive courses is genuinely hard to beat. So overall, if the pricing works for your region and you plan to use it consistently, the value can be pretty strong. So here's the bottom line. If you're a beginner or early intermediate learner who wants to build real data skills, Python, SQL, R, machine learning, AI, Datacamp is one of the best options out there right now. The hands-on format works, the career tracks eliminate guesswork, and the platform's newer AI features are moving in a direction that a lot of competitors still haven't caught up to. If you're already an experienced data professional looking for deep, advanced-level content, Datacamp alone probably won't be enough. You'll likely want to supplement it with independent projects and possibly more academic resources. But for the vast majority of people watching this, the ones who want to go from "I've been meaning to learn Python" to actually building useful skills, Datacamp delivers. Start with the free plan, test it for yourself, and if it clicks, then decide whether the paid version makes sense for you. I've left my link with the best pricing in the description below. If this review helped you, give it a thumbs up, and if you want more honest platform breakdowns, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.